Hey everyone, welcome back to my YouTube channel. Today I'll show you how to enable developer mode on your iOS device in just 2 steps. Step 1 is simple. Open your settings, head over to privacy and security, and look for the developer mode option. Go ahead and turn that on. If you don't see developer mode listed, don't worry. It might be hidden due to security restrictions. Now for step 2. Open Safari, type in iCarephone, and click on the first website that appears. From there, search for the transfer and recovery iCarephone free iOS backup tool and download it to your system. Once downloaded, double-click to open the iCarephone app. Now connect your iPhone to your Mac using a USB-C to USB-C cable. You'll receive a prompt on your iPhone, tap Trust Device to proceed. After that, the app will begin loading, and you'll be able to see your iPhone's status in the console. Next, click on Backup, go into More Tools, and there you'll find the option for Developer Mode. Just tap Open, then hit Next. And that's it. You'll now see Developer Mode is active on your iPhone. You can go and check it out yourself. Thanks for watching. Please don't forget to subscribe and share this video.